volcano near the capital could be on the verge of a dangerous eruption.
Here's a look inside perhaps one of the strongest storms
Typhoon Haiyan has made a direct hit on the island.
Typhoon slammed the Philippines at 4:30 a.m. Friday morning with winds of 195 miles per hour.
Shows the force of the storm surge, and that's the onslaught of water caused by the low pressure and the
lahat naman ng age group or age bracket really affects the psyche of any age bracket by a disaster. So yeah, parang what I've learned in our seminars na one effective thing to solve or to tackle that problem is yung psychological first. So that's one way to deal with those clients na mayroong naka-experience ng mga disaster. So after kasi ng disaster, the first thing na nafe-feel ng client or ng person is yung shock. Kasi kahit nasabihin mong prepared sila doon, ba't sila nangyari yung disaster, mayroon pa ring sense ng shock. So you have to let them be grounded. That's the word. That's one thing. And then grounding method is a good method for that. Kasi parang in a way you're bringing back the consciousness of the client sa reality. Kasi nakastuck pa siya dun eh. Like, ano nangyayari, like, pinaprocess niya pa, like, ano pa yung dapat niyang gawin na hindi napunta sa ganito. So, kailangan mo siyang i-pull back sa ngayon. Dito tayo, ito yung nangyari, like, basa ka, ganyan, dahil sa typhoon, nabahan yung gamit mo, parang, kailangan mo lang siyang i-simmer sa ganung reality na ito yung ngayon. Be grounded sa ngayon. Mag-add pa ako is yung breathing method. Yan, kailangan mo lang din ng... Meron tayong tinatawag na na yung 5-4-3-2-1 na method. Alam mo yun? So, parang, in a way, rin siya, parang other type din siya ng grounding. So, you'll encourage the client na, ganyan, parang, see 5 things, parang, hear 4 things, tapos, ano ba? Parang, smell 3 things, parang, touch 2 things, tapos, parang, yung 1 is what do you feel right now. So, yun yung 5-4-3-2-1. Parang, dahil doon, as you can notice, ginagamit yung senses na para ma-feel lahat. Yan, yung 5 senses. Pero yun nga, ang utmost response mo kasi as a professional is to give yung physical need muna ng tao. Kasi hindi siya mag-function ng maayos kung uhaw siya or gutom siya. So you have to primary ask the client na ano ka ba, nagugutom ka ba, nauuhaw ka ba?
Like give their physical need.
Yes, physical needs muna. Then, hindi lang naman sa needs, but pati yung elimination na pwede natin mag-script. Kuwari, do you have the feeling na napipi ka, ganyan, or napupup ka, ganyan. Yun muna, ibigay mo muna yun. Kasi hindi siya makapag-focus kung hindi siya stable physically, di ba? Number 1 na nakikita ko, according din sa mga nagiging clients ko is kailangan natin ng madami pang kaya mag-handle. Hindi naman necessarily kailangan professional ka or licensed ka. You have to know the basic things to do it properly.
Like, we have to have more practitioners.
Yes, parang that's one. Kasi, as you can see, pag napadaan ka ng National Center for Mental Health, sobrang haba ng pila. And you see na yung kalaki ng shortage ng mga professional na hinundahan. But in the case of disaster, yun, parang as a community, kailangan magkaroon ng ganung culture na kailangan we have those survival instinct. Parang in a way, survival instinct na yung ganun yung ganung PFA sa practice. Parang ganun.